Oh my god, I love your cutie.
What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Aryial Symone coming back with another hair tutorial for you all today. So this is really probably just gonna be like a voiceover because it's a pretty simple style, as y'all see from the thumbnail and the title. I'm just doing the 2 space buns with a slick side part on some very long, very thick natural hair. So I'm going to show you all how I do it today. I do it a little bit different than I've seen a lot of other YouTubers do it, because I actually blow dry my hair first so I can get it very, very bone straight, because I hate when I like brush my natural hair up and then obviously because I have 4C hair, it's gonna start naturally curling back up. So I like to blow dry it out first so that when I do the buns, all of this is slick straight. And then on top of that, the products that I use my Flexi Hold Gel from the Monet, and then I also use air dry cream for my buns. And I use this because whenever I do my buns, since it is blow dried, instead of adding just water, I put water and the air dry cream, and then I do almost like a twist out so that my space buns can be super, super curly. So grab your combs, grab your brushes, grab your gels, grab whatever you use to do your hair if you are going to follow along with me as I do this tutorial, and let's get into it. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are not already, so you can join my family, join my gang. Make sure you smash that like button because I know y'all love my hair tutorials and y'all love my videos. So let's get this to my magic number, 20 likes. I'm gonna just keep saying 20 likes until, I don't know, until I get tired of the number 20. And turn your post notifications on so that you can get notified every time that I post a video. We are on the road to 1K, y'all, 1K subs, and trying to get monetized. So let's dive into this video so I can show y'all how to do space buns on some 4C hair. Okay, so to create this look, I first start off by finding my middle part because I have a natural part in my head, and I use that to decide how deep I want my side swoop or bang to be. So I did go off camera so I could touch up the bang because I wanted a really clean part. And as you see, I didn't go too deep with this part, but you may choose to do your part deeper. And then I braid that section of hair out of my way so it is not getting in my way while I am creating my buns. Now to create the buns, I am doing a middle part, and I do go off camera to touch this part up as well because obviously I can't see the back of my head. And then I will start creating the 2 high buns for this look. Is it just me, y'all, or do I look like a little ass kid? I do not look 21. I don't. Comment below, how old do I look? Alright, so if you are new to my channel, you may not know this, but I made the switch to using all natural vegan hair care products when washing and styling my hair. And this Flexi Hold Gel that I'm using is actually Monet's new formula made specifically for curly hair types like mine. It is a silicone-free formula. It does not leave your hair stiff, and it leaves it super weightless, and it gives you that 24-hour hold that curly girls like me are looking for. So if you are a curly girl with hair like mine and you need a new hair holding gel that actually helps your hair hold and does not give you that stiff, crunchy feeling, I highly recommend you go in my description box and check out Monet's website and check out this Flexi Hold Gel. Y'all, your hair gonna hold. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This is holding. This ain't going nowhere. You could probably throw like 10 pounds of water on my hair. This ain't going nowhere. Did want to go ahead and throw it out there that any and all of the Monet products I'm using in this video are being sponsored by the company. So if you are looking to get a great discount on some luxury hair care products, make sure you send me a DM, shoot me an email, message me on any of my social media platforms, and I can help you get a great discount on some really great products. Got my ponytails up, pretty fluffy, don't look like buns yet, right? Yeah, now we got to get into the fun part, which is creating the twist, so we can create this twist out for your super curly buns. Got to re-wet my hair because it started to dry out in the middle of me brushing it up, and then I will show you how I do my twists. It's water all over my bed. Oh my god, I totally missed. I missed badly. Oh my god. Alright y'all, so y'all see I had to create a whole new method to put this water in my head because I totally missed my head and left a big wet mess in my bed, and yeah, it was just messy. But back to the video. So the next product I'm grabbing by Monet is their air dry cream. This is another one of their vegan silicone free formulas, and it comes sealed as most of their products do, so that you know nobody has tampered with your products while it is getting to your house. So this formula not only makes your hair super shiny, but it also is going to help tame your flyaways, and it smells really good, y'all. So make sure you copy some of this. Also, you do not need heat in your hair in order to use this product. This next one I'm grabbing is this Moxie Magnifying Mousse. Now this bottle is actually one of their old formulas. They created a whole new Moxie Magnifying Mousse. It comes in like a big shiny bottle, y'all, and it adds volume. It is absolutely not crunchy at all whatsoever. Like this one doesn't leave my hair too crunchy, but the new formula, your hair is not crunchy at all. Is super smooth, and it also helps control your frizz as well, so you do not have to worry about all those little flyaways when you are styling your hair. Y'all need to go cop these products because this next one I'm using is this curl cream. This uses shea butter to help create your natural curls, and it is going to hydrate and condition your hair at the same time while you are styling it. So these are the products that I'm using to create this twist out. I just bantu knot the ends so they are super curly whenever I take it out, and we are going to literally redo this entire process throughout the entire head. First starting off with the air dry cream, next following up with the mousse, and then putting curl cream on the ends so that I have beautiful twists whenever I take these out to create my buns. Like I said, y'all, you do not need a whole lot of product when you are using Monet's products. They are literally designed so that you only have to use anywhere from a dime to a quarter size amount. I have had all of these products since about June, and it is now November when I did this style, and I still have very full bottles. So y'all, a little bit really does go a long way with Monet. So I'm going to finish twisting out the other side of this ponytail, and I'm see y'all in a little bit. And we back in my bathroom. So I'm getting ready to flat iron my bang because I want it to be super slayed and super laid. So since I'm getting ready to put heat on my hair, I gotta grab my specialty oil, which is my Rejuvenate oil. Everybody who is anybody knows me knows that I love this Rejuvenate oil like it is my baby. I use it for everything from my hair to my skin to my nails to my everything. Okay, this is an all natural blend of botanical oils. It's plant, fruit, and vegetable oils all blended together in an all natural non-chemical formula that you can literally put right on your hair just before you get ready to put heat on it. You do not have to wait till it dries or anything because it does not make that sizzling noise because there's no chemicals. Yay! Alright, so y'all may be noticing I'm only using 2 to 3 drops of the Rejuvenate oil on my hair, and that's because that's literally all you need because this has a very fine, very lightweight formula. This is made that way so that it can penetrate your scalp, so not only it can naturally help your hair grow, but it's also going to repair split ends. It's going to help repair any heat damage you have. It also is good for if you have really thin hair. It's going to help your hair thicken out, and it's going to make it super shiny along with a bunch of other reasons. So go check out the Rejuvenate oil. Once again, I'm grabbing my Flexi Hold Gel because that's what I'm going to use to help mold my bang. Now for you, if you are following along with this tutorial, you may do a deeper swoop bang. You know, I didn't really want my swoop to be too in my face because I am doing this look for a fashion show. So I didn't want it to be all in my face in case I start sweating and stuff. So as y'all see, it's not a very deep swoop, but this is what I am using to mold it. And y'all, it took me literally probably about 15 minutes to finally get the right swoop. So I'm gonna like go off camera and then come back and show y'all like how I actually decided to swoop it up. But yeah, this is how it turned out. Then I'm gonna grab my bobby clips, you know, I'm gonna put those in my hair to pin it in place. This is a method I learned from another YouTube video that I watched a little while back so that I could create bangs without them like moving around and shifting on me, but you know, they still make it look kind of natural. And you know, you just pin it up into your little bun or buns in this case, and this is how you create that swoop bang. Alright, so now you're going to grab whatever edge control you like to use. I like to grab this coconut oil edge control soothing gel and combine it with the Flexi Hold gel so that I can mold that swoop into the perfect swoop, if you know what I'm saying. I'm a perfectionist, so it had to be absolutely perfect. So I'm using all kinds of brushes. I'm going back and forth between the two products because I'm like, this got to be late, okay? And I'm using those same two products so I can mold my edges and shape those the way I want them as well, because I need my bang to really be a bang. I need my edges to really swoop, and I need it to be too cute, okay? And here is the final look. Now let me stop playing. I forgot, not gonna lie to y'all, forgot to vlog me taking the twist down and shaping the buns because on the day of the show it was super hectic. We had a lot going on and I did not have time to actually set up and vlog for you all, but I did take plenty of pictures and videos so you all could see both what my hair looked like without the weave with the space buns, and if you choose to add weave to your space buns if you want bigger buns. I hope you all like this video. Please comment below which look you like the most, and I will see you all next time.